This could be your year. Make an old man proud of you. Forget about the tears on the level. See me eye to eye. Stand up like a man, even from the other side. On the level. On the level.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be messing with, we're going to continue on with the video game stuff that we've been doing, and I'm going to be working on music today. There's only a few days left of the bite-off, so I'm excited to keep this going. So I need to check to make sure that this will actually play. Give me a second, then I can actually hear it through the browser. So bear with me. So okay, y'all can hear it. That's good. Okay, cool. Sweet. That's exciting. So this is what I've got so far for the music. And that will be for the opening screen. Let's see. Let me see if I can put my NDI PC on here. Put this at the top. Nope. Come on. Screen capture. Bear with me. There we go. All right, so here you can see the video game, and this is what we're going to be putting the music on. Y'all can't see that on Bear with me. The vertical version. There we go. All right, so here you can see the video game. There we go. And this is what cool. All right, so I'm going to turn those off. What's up, Dave? Today we're messing with music. Dave Goss. Amy says hi, Dave. Turn the audio off here. All right, so this is what we've got. What we're working with. So that's what I've got so far. I still need to add in the noise one as well. I was working on this today at lunch. So you see I've got my 2 pulse waves, my triangle wave, which is more the bass stuff, and then so I still need to add in my my like drums and stuff. So let's zoom in. All right, so That's interesting that my drums and my stuff. Oh yeah, it's because I'm zoomed in too far. Weird. This one is different. 30-second notes. Oh, that's my quantization. Let's do eighth notes. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Alright, then we'll see this. Quantization. Oh man. What's going on here? There we go. Now I'm over here. There is a MIDI importer, yeah. So like I should go grab my I should grab my keyboard in case. But let's see. I think okay. What's up, Chris? How's it going? I think I need these to be a little bit quieter. And maybe a bit more like quicker. Let's go ahead and delete those. Then let's add a new one. We'll call this, nope. Whoa. Weird. Well, I'm giving it the full rundown. Let's see. Let me reset. Ah, it's choosing both of them. Dang it. All right, let's do a new one. Oh, I'd never built in a delete instrument. All right, let's take a little note here. Add delete instrument. Maybe I could do it without the music. I'm good. I'm good. Still just working on my game. You know, I got 1 week left. That's so annoying. Let's do this. Let's do new project. See what happens when I start adding more. Okay, so let's load project. Okay, there we go. All right. this snare. Let's see. Let's do the 12.5. I think that'll sound good. Let's see, so then we can do a volume, and we'll do quick down like that. I know, right? If you guys want to give this a try, it's, let me see if I can post this in here. Yeah, hopefully that showed up. It's mattmilstead.github.io/NES music maker /NES underscore music underscore maker underscore v1.html. You are completely able to play around with it as well. All right, so that's gonna be my snare. Oh, you know what? I bet I could do like an arpeggio or something. Let's see. So if I do Alt, I don't know about that. Let's see. So we want, whoops. What is that? Is that 10? How is that 10? All right. All right, I need to fix that. Do. See what that ends up in there. See, that puts it at 11. I need a better way once I've got... All right, I'm going to add that to my list as well. Add delete instrument, add way to click instrument. I wonder if I... Let's see, let's do this. Let's do a new private window. Oh, but that's not going to open here. I just need to see if this will work real quick. Upload project. Here. Bear with me, y'all. That's so weird. Okay. I tried opening up a private one to see if that would fix it, but it's not. So I don't know how to get this to the correct number or how to assign it. That is frustrating. I guess I'm going to have to use the 6 instrument unless I want to use gravity up. You know what? Let's do this. All right. So save project. We're going to call this escape music. Audio. All right. That's saved. Now I'm going to use my gravity up as my snare. I'll call this snare. And then I'll call gravity down. I'll call that bass drum. Jeez. Then we want a quicker attack on that, or quicker release. Dave's all over the place. Alright, so 1 is a snare and 2 is bass drum, so still on 8th notes. Go here. Whoops. Just want to delete the 1. You know what? I think I'm going to stick with this. I think this should be okay. I need to add in... I need some like... You know, okay, so let's do this instead. Instead of it being so loud, let's add some volume to it. I don't think the noise channel... Yeah, I think that's better. Because I think it would cause some... That feels good. I would just copy and paste these. I know it's stupid that I'm like just rewriting these, but I found an error in my code today. Whoops. That was causing it to double up anytime I would do the copy and paste, or the that's cool. Do do cha, do cha. Ooh. Let's do a slide up. That'll be cool. Highlight them, hit S. Okay, let's see if we... There we go. Yeah, okay. That's cool. Let's do this. Man, for some reason my thing is not wanting to work. Here we go. Alright, slide. Yeah. Slide these. Alright, then we want the dun dun dun. I want that to slide as well. Dunt, dunt, dunt. Slide, slide, slide. Nope. Let's do this. One over, slide. I don't like the slides on that part. So let's do a slide here as well. Come on. Jeez. It's like 5 pixels or something. It's super annoying. I thought I had fixed this. Jeez. It's like stuff got messed up. See if we make it smaller. Does that help? That doesn't help. Frustrating. Yeah, the slides are pretty fun. I think this is only giving me like 1 pixel. Here, let's do this. Erased. Erased. There we go. Yeah, that's cool. I think that's okay for our music. Yeah, I know, right? It's interesting that it's putting the hertz. I never realized it puts the hertz there. Huh. Maybe that's something, I don't know, that's weird. I never noticed that. so save project, escape, main title, music. Okay, you want to see the game? Y'all want to see how it works? I'll show you. Okay, so here's a game. And we can select between start, random, and seed. Seed is not currently working, but our random mode does. So we'll start the game. I'm going to have a whole like opening thing first, but basically you want to avoid pits, you want to avoid barriers, you want to avoid shrapnel and stuff, and you switch gravity. And it does a little cool little animation to turn around. Yeah, and you just want to avoid that stuff, otherwise you'll blow up. And then you make it into the warp zone that then takes you to the next level. Whoop. Do. Bum, 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 bum. So yeah, I need to go through and I need to build more levels. Jeez. Because right now it's just cycling between the same 2 levels over and over again. The levels are relatively easy to make. Because I've gone through in NestMaker and made actual like blocks of like barriers and blocks of spikes and blocks of stuff, you know, so it's easy to make the level. I think I'm just gonna spend like a lunch hour making 20 or so levels, and then but the big thing that I've been working on, let me reset, is the random mode. So what the random mode does is it's oh my god, the random mode does a random seed based off of like the timer or something like that, the game timer, and then it will randomly place down barriers. So as we're going along, you know, we'll have, oh geez, it can be hard sometimes. Yeah. There you go. Ah! So it's just choosing random stuff to put in there. And so sometimes it's easy and sometimes it's hard. So the idea is to have that random seed show up as you're playing the random one. And every time you finish that level, it increments the seed. And so you'll be able to see what seed is playing. So then you can go to seed and you can type in that one if you want to try that one again or start from that specific area, which I think is fun. You know, it gives the game replayability, but adding in this whole thing has been very difficult. And yeah, so it's a lot more challenging because you've got a lot more barriers and stuff like that, barriers and spikes. I also need to add in like random shrapnel. So we just finished it, it incremented the seed, and now we've got an entirely new level. And because this is using, so the Nintendo uses 8-bit. 8-bit was only gives you up to 256 different levels. So this could technically be 256 levels if I only used 1-bit random seed, but I'm using a 2-bit random seed, which gives us 65,000 random levels that we can play. So that was fun. So this was my thought. It's like, okay, cool. This will give you a chance to like, you know, just play a random level. And it's really relaxing. You can just, you know, go through, play, avoid the barriers, jump over pits and stuff like that. And it's pretty fun. It's nice and relaxing. Kind of zen, just jumping through and all this stuff. Yeah, once I add in the random shrapnel, that's going to add a whole lot more randomness to the game. But yeah, you can see as we're finishing the level, it's incrementing the seed and then creating an entirely new level for us, you know, which is pretty rad. The levels are relatively easy once we add some shrapnel into it, you know, or maybe a couple other barriers. I think that's going to work a whole lot better. I just literally like 10 minutes before the show started got this working because I was having all sorts of like errors with the palettes and it reading the palettes and stuff like that. See, I died. Reading the palettes and, you know, trying to figure out what the correct palette is for it. Pew, 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 pew. I built in logic that says basically put 2 traps for every screen there is, and randomly choose between the top screen and the bottom screen. So if like it'll choose 1, 2, or 3 for the columns, and then whatever it chooses for the ceiling, it chooses between the other 2 for the other 2 for the floor. So you've always got a path in order to finish the game. Oh, I died again. So there's 65,000 levels, which is cool. I don't think I've ever seen a Nintendo game that has 65,000 levels, you know, and I think that's fun, you know. Boo, boo. Now imagine the music. Hold on, let's see. I could probably play it at the same time. Oh, hold on. Ah, dang it, I died. All right, here we go. See you, Chris. All right, this feels like a pretty good spot. Man, I'm really happy with this. Yeah, see that, I get that error. I need before it starts the level to like do a flush on the the visual memory. See, and then I also get errors there, which sucks. Next week we're doing the retro gaming stuff with EJ and Winbush. We're gonna be playing. I know we're gonna be playing DuckTales. We may be playing some Mega Man games as well. But I'm gonna have them try this game and see how they do. So I've already built in, or I've got jump sounds. I've got. Oh, I need a death sound. I don't think I can jump over 4 of them. Let's see. Can I jump over 4? I can't. That's good. That's what I was wanting. It's a fun game to play. All right, cool. Yeah, so now I need to incorporate music, and I need to do the things. I need to incorporate the random seed into it and all that extra stuff, all that goodness, you know. So where should we go from here? Let's do this. Okay, so I saved that music. Let's open up Family Tracker just to make... Actually, you know what? Let's not do that. Let's... Okay, we've got our NDI. That's fine. We're going to stick with NDI right now. I'm going to turn off my web stuff so that we're just doing this. And then let's go into Nestmaker. We will go to our overworld. And here we need music. So I need to bring in sounds. Music. Sound. Import Family Tracker text. Escape audio. Oh, does it not? Did it not? Oh, that's right, because I saved it to like downloads or something. Bear with me. No, I didn't. Wait, why is my audio in there? Oh, because it's in the JSON. That's right. Okay, so I need to go back over here. I'll bring this back up so y'all can see. I've got this. Okay, so I've got... Okay, so now I need to export for Family Tracker, and this is going to be called escape. Main title, author Matt Milstead, copyright 26, comment, main title music. I'll export this, and then I will save it as the text file. Save, let it go into Dropbox, and then we will turn back on our NDI, turn off our web, and then there we go. All right. So song, escape, main title. Let's go into our overworld, go here into our screen info, and then where is our music? Music is song, escape, main title. All right, let's see if it actually plays, because I haven't actually tested bringing music into Nestmaker yet. So hopefully, yeah. All songs with sound effects, not a number, illegal instruction. Sound. All songs with sound effects, ASM. All right, so let's go into our game. Sound. Where would sound be? All songs, input scripts, common scripts? Nope. It says sound though. Let's go into the Metrovania game. Nope. Common? Nope. It's not AI. AI scripts. Common scripts. Nope. Where's the sound stuff? See if it's in the system. Ah, okay. Sound. All songs. Nope. Data load. Let's see if we can do this. File open. I don't think I can. Let's ask Claude. Claude will probably know. Let's see. Go here. Let's store this version. Say jump back. Hold on. Okay. Can you tell me where? Can you tell me where is the all songs with sound effects ASM? Where file is located? Shabba-doo bop beepity dee. Shabba-doo bop doo doo. Files are referenced in System Bank Data Bank 1B. This means it should be located at sound relative to your Nestmaker project root. However, this file isn't in the uploaded slightly generated file that Nestmaker creates when you export, compile your music and sound effects, or typical it would be in your project sound folder alongside with your music data. Yeah. It's missing. And Nestmaker is giving me an error. Let's see if I can Google it real quick. All songs with just platformer include those SFX seem to be holdovers from a 6 search development, probably just a mistake on in the meantime. A way to circumvent this should be to use a standalone GG sound converter to export it and directly import the tool with load converted family tracker. Try to use the import it. This was fixed, so if you're a download NestMaker, it will be fixed. So just transfer the graphics. Take pictures of stuff. What? So you expect data structures. The issue is that NestMaker generates this file when you configure music sound in the tool. Then you go to your sound settings and click export or build to regenerate the file, or create the sound folder manually. Create a sound folder and put this stub file in it. Go to project settings, sound. Project settings, sound. Make sure you have at least one song and one sound effects defined. I don't have a sound effect yet. Oh, I mean, I got these. Settings. Oh, I don't think that's right. Soundtrack folder. Oh, I think it's having me export a soundtrack, and then this one's click export and save or build. I did that. I built it. This will generate all songs. Let's do a new folder. We'll call these exports. Escape. Underscore region 01. See, but yeah, that says that's the error I'm getting. Blech. System bank data bank line means it should be located in sound. All songs with sound effects. I wonder if I've got an old version in one of my other games. Let's go to Camp Mograph. NestMaker. Make me a NES. Game engine data. Routines base. System. No, not system. Game. Sound. Where is the sound? Because I have sound in this one. Can't use FX channels at all. Oh, there's a nest dev. Include screen. So maybe hold over, that's fine. Just transfer the graphic, take pictures of the stuff you changed, and import the graphic assets. Redo the level design. Man. Okay. This might be a job for the Discord. Let me see. Let's go back. Alright, let's go ahead and save this real quick. I'm going to just try and open games, Mograph. Is there an exports in there? Oh, game, nope. There we go. Mograph template. What's the newest one? Do that. Error, updating tile set. That's fine. Exists and it's the correct size. Gotcha. Yes, 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 yes. I am aware. Do not care about that right now. Only care about the sound. Okay, see, I did the song. I did sound effects. So the sound should be in there. Is this Mograph? Mograph, yes. Nestmaker. Sound. Nope. All songs with sound effects. Okay. So it's in the game engine data. So what is this all song with sound effects come in here? Okay. Holy crap on a Kringle. Clues, screen extra sound effects. Ooh boy. Okay. Alright, so we found it here. Sound. Yeah, okay. It doesn't have it here. Does it rewrite a new ASM every time? Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I need to just build a blank one. Let's save this. No. I'll save as games, escape, sound, save, make that blank, and then let's see what happens when we open up. See what happens if we compile. Huh? Eh? No. 22, not a number, illegal instruction. What did it have before? Was it just missing? I think it was missing, right? No. Wonder what happens if I create a new project. Alright, so let's just save this real quick. Okay, gotcha. Yep. Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you. Go back into NestMaker. We will... Let's close this. Yes. Then we're going to go into Mograph, NestMaker, NestMaker. And we're going to open this NestMaker. Oops. I got two of them now. No. Alright, new project. Let's see. Create blank tile sets. Test. Okay. Error updating the tile set. Please verify that it exists. Okay, that's fine. So sound, music. Import FamiTracker text. Escape audio. Here we go. I might need to add in. Let's see just what happens if I compile this. It's probably going to give me errors. Yeah, game engine data. Hmm. 22, not a number. Illegal instruction. Let's see what it did to that file. Didn't do anything. Wait, where is it? Why didn't that save? Oh, that's Camp Mograph. Hopefully it didn't delete my other sounds. Wait. Game engine data. Sound. Okay. Okay, that's fine. I'm stupid. Games, escape, program files. Let's try this. Sound. Cut. Game engine data. Sound. It's in here. Oh, okay. So what is 22? Instrument 2.5? What does that mean? Oh. Jump driving. Okay. You know, I think I can feed this to ChatGPT. Okay. The file, and here are the errors. Okay, what are the errors? Excuse me. I did use instrument 2 a couple of times on this. Yeah. legal instruction. Have a feeling the name of the instrument is the reason why. Be do do do. To keep up with AI, you need to be unemployed. That's funny. Think about bugging assembly files, look at the uploaded ASL. This is the joy of Claude. You tell it to do something and then you just get to sit on your phone for the next little bit. It's beautiful. Good stuff right there. All right, fix the problem was the dash in the instrument name. Assembly labels can only use letters, numbers, underscores. Line 22 instrument to 5 to... Oh, gotcha. Okay, replace your sound all songs with a fixed version. Okay, cool. Let's see if this works. I did not know that. Yes? Let's see if this works now. All right. I did not know that about assembly code. All right. I don't think... Oh, weird. Wee. How long have we been going? We've been going for an hour. All right. Let's see if this compiles. Hopefully it will. Nope. Again. Did I save it? Yes. Okay. Oh, see, it's still doing that. All right. What was it? 57? 57 instrument underscore. Oh, you know what? It's probably within the text file. In my, let's see. There we go. Instruments, instrument 2. I can't use dashes. Okay. You know what? I'm going to also delete all of this because I don't need it. End of export. MML's domain title, split, vibrato, expansion, cool, that's fine. Let's do this. Instrument 1, instrument 2, instrument 11. And then file, save. Let's go back into NestMaker. This is, I need to make note of this. Make sure export uses correct assembly language. No no dashes. Okay. Let's see if this works. Oh no, I need to re-import that. Dang it. Maybe? Nope. That's fine. No. Yes, that's fine. So, okay. So in Nestmaker, I need to go into my sound music. I need to sound. Can I delete that? I don't think I can. That's dumb. Music, import Family Tracker. Save, export. Ugh, that's because my stupid Dropbox. Continue. Boom, 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 boom. I need to do my sound effects as well, and I need to add in the text that will do those. We'll do that in a second. All right, compile? Nope, continue. Come on. It's because there's like 16,000 things that it needs to compile first. I wrote that during lunch. It's kind of catchy. While we're waiting, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor Otoy. You know them, you love them. They're the makers of Octane Render and the Render Network. With Octane, you can create super photorealistic renders in a fraction of the time of other render engines. And for those renders that need a little extra push of power, the Render Network has you covered. They can render your Octane, Redshift, and Blender Cycles frames in a fraction of the time and a fraction of the cost of other cloud rendering services. Make sure and give them a shout out. And for those listening right now, I have a code. I officially have my code for RenderCon. Let me find it real quick. She sent it to me today or yesterday. Where is it? Come on. Nope, wrong person. Sylvia, there we go. Okay, use Milstead RC. That will give you 50% off any tier ticket. That's MILSTEAD RC. And that'll give you 50% off your ticket. So yeah, enjoy it. And make sure to give Otoy a big shout and a lot of love whenever you see them at RenderCon. And say thank you for sponsoring all things Mograph. Oh, nice. It still says I'm on the podcast. Let's do our Hangouts. We're going back to Hangouts. Let's see. Okay, and then I'm going to pause for an hour. There we go. Now we'll build it. Oh. All right. I don't have any sound effects. 137 unknown label. Let's see. Dang it. All right. Escape. Program files. Game engine data. Sound. We'll do this. Here are the errors. And here are the errors, as well as my Family Tracker music. There may be errors on the Family Tracker music text. I don't need the sound effects is the problem, but I probably need to put sound effects in there. I'm very thankful that Claude has been able to help out so much on this, because otherwise I would just be bothering the Discord the entire time, you know. Let's see if I can open this up with FamiTracker and see what it gives me there. Go to programs, FamiTracker, and then let's open. Where is it? Escape, audio. Oh, is there an import? Import text. Let's see what this does. Line 105, column 44. Note column should be 3 characters wide. Okay. So let's go there. Sharp 2 5 A sharp 2 should be 3 characters wide. A sharp 2 4, what is that doing? How does it do that? Caused by commented out code, referencing undefined tables. Problem is that extra sound effects has labels, but all the data is commented out. So no code, can't determine address errors. Fix both those. Okay. Think I have an error on my FamiTracker text file as well. FamiTracker is, let's, before I do that, A sharp 2, so it should be 3. A2. A2. What do sharps do? A sharp 2, 04. Huh. Huh. This is annoying. All labels now have actual data. Those now codes can't determine error. I think I need to just add some sound effects in here. Alright, let's do this. Let's go into FamiTracker. That's fine. Let's see what this sounds like. That does not work. Ugh. Okay. Damn it. Oh. I tried testing my file export system in FamiTracker and it worked when I was doing it before. Oh, let's go back into FamiTracker. Games. FamiTracker. No, I don't need the FAQ. import text. Oh, because... Okay. Resume. I may call it a night here pretty soon. See you there. Line 105, column 44. Note should be 3 characters wide. So let's see. Let's open up this. What does it say? Line 105, column 44. 105. Yeah. Maybe it should be like this. A#2? No, because... Oh no, that's just sharp. Maybe? Alright. We'll save that. And then let's see what happens in FamiTracker. For text. Line 313, column 8. 313, column 8. Okay. I'll just get rid of 313. Womp. Ah. That's terrible. Doesn't play as fast as mine does. It's tempo 180. I wish I could solo. Can I solo these? Alright, that noise. not go faster? Can I really not type that in? 360. That's annoying. Whoops. Let's export text. Oh, jeez, dude. Save. And we'll just bring this in for now. Double check that we can actually play our game. That's the most important thing right now. Ugh. I got some serious issues to do with this NES Music Maker. Sound, import, FamiTrack. Let's see if this gives errors. At least on the sound. Hey! Okay, written. Okay, I hear no sound. That's all right. We can chill out with that right now. Let's go to our random. Let's make sure all of our crap is working, which it looks like it is. Cool. Maybe we should go through and create some levels. I feel like I should. Now let's work on the seed system so that I mean, the system works. I just need to, I need to double check, dang it. I need to double check, I need to get the seed system working on my HUD so that I can see what it looks like. And make sure that it's incrementing correctly. Because the hardest part about some of these levels are that, you know, they kind of do the same thing. Okay, so HUD system for the seed. I need to work on... Alright, I'm going to make a list. And actually, I'm going to call it a night for tonight. I appreciate everyone hanging out and watching me make games. So hopefully next week it should be done and up on the Retroverse, I believe is what it's called. Let's double check. Retroverse? Yeah, the Retroverse. The Retroverse it has all of like come on. It's got video games and stuff like that. So if you want to play the game that I'm finishing, it should be up here in a little while, in like the next week. So I'll let everyone know. Otherwise, thanks everyone for hanging out. Make sure and you know, subscribe to all the things. Love you. Bye.
Pretty good, I guess.